painted. Remember the fender? Get all that redo. I deliberately told him not to put the bumper back together because I'm going to take it out anyway. So there's still, but the paint job and the amount of work that's done to it, the paint is perfect. It's beautiful. The doors, they were dented in. Nope, now it's gone. And the quarter panel. Ooh. Perfectly smooth. They did a great job actually. See the bottom, all that has been redone. That's really nice. Perfect job. So all that's been replaced. This been replaced. This bumper lined up perfectly. Here. So remember the handle? I had an issue with the handle, but now it's like nice and opens and closes. So let's see if it's awake. Wiki. There you go. And it rained last night. So it's ghost already. So today the plan is to go ahead and install the airbag here. I've got that, but the main challenge for me is going to be to take out this airbag module. I gotta set it up so I can flash it again. So this is located right there. I'm gonna change this new airbag. And from what's the looks of it, just to begin, there's a clip right here. Just pops it out. I think. I really have to look, but I don't want to break anything. But let me go gear up, and I'll come back and we'll redo that. But there should be a bunch of clips there, and it should pop right out. And I'm trying to get that airbag module there. So once I get that out, we got it charged. The charge is still charging. I left it overnight. That's good. Looking good. What's this stuff doing on mine? Yeah. Bumper setup, grill. So I'm going to be working on the parking sensors. I got to put that back. And we'll be to be continued. Alright, so I got the damn module. Wow. You need like mechanical expertise to get this out. Because if you don't, like I said, I took the whole center console out right here. Now the trick to center console is that it has this aluminum plate. If you have it like this type, this is a 2015 90D Model S. See, it's got that aluminum plate, which is easy. You just yank this aluminum plate and it comes right off. And it's got these Velcro here. You got these two bolts right here. These just yank right off. I'll show you here. But that one, my God, it took a while. I had to gut the whole car out here. So what I did is, yeah, right in there. It's a lot, I can tell you, but you need a 30T to get the bolts out for the airbag. And this is, I'm going to reverse engineer and show you guys once I put everything back, because I had to take it out. I had to focus on pulling this thing out, which I did, and I'll explain what happened here. And it's much easier to do this route than to go ahead and take the whole carpet out. And I split these two vents. You have to yank them down, put them aside on the other. See how I did it? So you can have access to the bolts. There's 3 bolts on this Tesla Model S. So you need to access this. So you need a handle from here and from here to get right about there. That's all room you can work with. I didn't want to take out the ECU for the computer for the Tesla. I didn't unplug it. I left it like that. However, took all the battery as a precaution. They have a for the firefighters right here, but I just unplugged it right here, and I unplugged the battery, the small 12-volt battery. So that's that. I will show you after I put it back together. I'm gonna explain more and how I did it. But yeah, you need all this. You gotta unbolt. There's 2 bolts right here. One right there, one on top. This has to be loose. It won't give you room to work with it. But these bolts, yeah, they're really hard to get. It took me a while. Now I'm gonna send it out to get it flashed. Okay, so I got the module back. I just flashed it. Now the way to install this baby is you go through here. So here's the seat. I got this console already. I'll show you later how that's put back. Now you have to have this go like that. Those are the 2 plugs. There's 1, there's 2. They go right here. One goes here, one here. It goes right about in there. So once you settle it back in there, right about there, you got these bolts right here. These are, I think, 30Ts. Let me see, 30T. Slid it right here. And you have to use it in this. The shorter the better, the small one, not the big ratchet. This is the best one to get it to be able to fit in there, right in there. See it right there. Once that gets tied up, you plug it in, and then we'll see what happens. Then we also have to, of course, work so 2 hands. That's why we gotta have this section emptied out too. So you have this in here. This is where you put your hand here with the ratchet and hold it with it. And this is from this side. Otherwise, you have to take this panel off. the desk, the center post, and the center armrest. I think that's easier to come out. Some of them have this split carpet. Some Teslas do, some don't. So they don't, just make a small incision from here to there. Not a big deal, not harm it, because the whole console is gonna go right on top anyway. So it doesn't have, just make an incision. These are the air vents, and then it's gonna go back here in between these 2. They're pretty soft. You can maneuver these really in and out. Yeah, don't be afraid of like forcing it to get in there and get out. It's not gonna hurt it. So yeah, let me see what happens when we're in session. I gotta change the seatbelt right here. Buckle. Change that. Remove the airbag. That's on the end. And I just connected the battery just in case the light's still on. I mean, 12 batteries off, but it's still feeding. Yeah, let me see what happens. I'll call you right back.